In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 240 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. It is less than 5. That is why we will consider the first two digits. That is the number 24. We know that 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, we get 4. Now see that this 4 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now we know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 240 divided by 5 is equal to 48. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.